Sabi nila, it's a beginner-friendly daw siya and gentle lang sa skin, lalo na sa ganitong klaseng skin na to. Wait, bakit parang ngayon ko lang nalaman to? Okay guys, as an acne-prone skin guy, I think it's finally time for me to start using retinol. I did my research and I found out that retinol is something that can lessen acne, dark spots, or whatever. And also guys, it can help improve skin texture like this. And honestly, that's exactly what I need right now. And you know what's nice? A lot of my friends have been recommending this product. This is the Pond's H Miracle Ultimate Youth Night Serum Hexyl Retinol. Whew, grabe ang haba nun. Sabi nila, it's a beginner-friendly daw siya and gentle lang sa skin, lalo na sa ganitong klaseng skin na to. Para bang? So tonight, ito yung gagamitin ko for my skincare nighttime routine. Bibigyan kita ng chance. Well, according to my research, what I like about this one is that aside from helping lessen dark acne marks, mapa-fade niya yung acne marks, it also helps smoothen the skin to make it more look healthier and glowing. Plus, it helps yung skin renewal too and yung mga fine lines natin. So parang skincare investment na rin siya for me. What do you think? Hopefully, this is the start of clearer and healthier skin for me because you know what? Honestly, I just want to feel more confident and happy again. And guys, I will keep you updated and posted about my skincare journey using this Hexyl Retinol from Pond's, and hopefully, sooner or later, these acne marks, these acne prone skin na meron ako ay mawala na in the coming days, in the coming weeks, and in the coming months. And sana guys, ito na yung glow up era natin. Hindi lang talaga dapat sa katawaw tayo nag-i-invest. Sa skin din dapat guys. Bye guys! Good night!